I see you're flying. You look like you need to be in a gymnastics class.
Why?
Because they do things like that in gymnastics.
Watch what I can do.
We're watching. Wow, you're pretty strong.
I did that at the park.
You are getting into trouble, Miss Moo. What have you found? A piece of plastic. You silly thing. I want you to tell me a spooky story.
Once upon a time, in a deep, deep valley, there lived a really, really spooky eyeball.
Yeah?
And when the eyeball person came there, the eyeball just rolled out and ate it. The end.
That's pretty scary. Gentle, okay? No more.
I'm pulling her down onto the bouncy bed.
No, don't pull her down anymore, honey.
You can pull down onto the bouncy bed.
What am I going to do with you? What am I going to do? You need a gymnastics class with a trampoline. Can you imagine if you got to jump on a real trampoline?
Then what?
I don't know.
I'll go so hard.
Yeah? I'm going to get off the bed. Can you show me one of your somersaults if I get off the bed?
Okay.
Good job. Again. You're pretty crazy.